Not a lot of things ticked off that list, boy.
That's not even all of it, man.
No, I'm joking. Obviously, I haven't been here for a couple of weeks, but James has been a busy boy, strapping the front end together. He runs some brake lines. Got a servo on there.
Ben did that.
Really?
Ben did that.
Big up Ben. I mean, there's plenty more stuff to go on the whip in there.
I'm tired, man.
Yeah, I'm not surprised. There's so much. I don't think anyone really realised. I mean, what I do.
This has been a ridiculous process. I don't even know what size. I've had to learn the imperial system. I've had to learn about UNC, UNF. My head is just not even.
It's also really your first restoration project as well, because it is a full rest though. I mean, except for the body and that, because you want to keep it OEM and keep it. I don't know, have that sort of.
Brown, staying brown.
Another car part with loads of
So many pieces.
car parts and more car parts.
When will it end?
Once it's together.
Endless car
We haven't talked about our fresh garms, man. Look at us.
Oh, yeah,
Look like a landscaper.
Looks like a burglar.
burglar.
There you go. Burgling and landscaping. Soon available. Alright, cool. We've got a little cheeky one here, haven't we? Where'd you get this cheeky number
This is
from?
my flux capacitor. No, this is.
Oh my good
This is
god.
heavy, mate.
I barely caught that on camera, but
I would have just obliterated my toes. There'd be blood everywhere. I had to get a new camera.
that'd be good content.
Yeah, this spins. And when I give it some welly, it locks up and
Yeah, where'd you get it from? Because obviously that is not from a Scimitar Reliant,
That's
is
from a
it?
Jaguar.
A Jaguar! Give that a shot. A little spin, mate. It turns out it was actually red.
We have extra.
Look how good that is. Yeah, that looks really safe. I'll give us a little spin, Ben.
Spin, look at that go. No, I'm actually really gassed. There's so much gone into this. It just looks like a hunk of metal. There's like 3 million pieces in here. There's pieces in the inside of here that we've had to smash with all our force. It's been quite.
But, and your knees are blowing out as well because of it.
I need a ramp, man.
Yeah. But I think this is one of the last
Actually
main
very-
components, isn't it? For the old chassis over there. It's all coming together. Oh yeah, and then do you want to quickly explain what these
There's some
little
nice shiny things.
these little plate things are here, because that isn't OEM, mate.
Usually was on there. All this. And this. I don't care about them either. We've got these two. I don't know if these are the right ones. It's already falling apart.
And you say they're off a Golf, yeah?
Yeah, man. How do these even work like this? Something like this.
Woo!
Yeah, damn.
You're like Freddie Flintstone, but with your arms.
Strength on him, eh?
Surfing.
Tremendous, man.
So rad, dude.
It's just
Chassis.
Chassis. Smooth chassis.
Woo!
Joe.
Hard work that. Making a load of stuff.
Jack off, mate. Jack me off.
Nah, don't do that. Don't jack off, dude.
Look at that.
Is it self-supporting?
Yeah, boy.
Woo!
This one.
Oh my god!
Hey yo!
Are you alright? You alright?
Okay.
Is that just the sheer weight of it? They just slip off the jack, off the stands. Is it worse than hitting your coccyx on that handrail in Hemel? It's not as bad as that. Alright, okay. We know it's fine then. I'm going to put that clip in. Jesus wept. We're good on it. It is solid. Keep going. Turn around quickly.
I can't even give you the finger.
I don't know why I'm laughing, dude, because I now have to end up building this. Yeah, and we have to move unit next week as well, so...
Quality.
Yeah. Alright, well, mistakes happen, don't they? It's been 5 minutes and Jamie's already frazzling my brain. Look at this, dude. It's the hieroglyphics, mate. Trying to make sense of stuff.
It's pretty informative, to be honest, though. I like it.
Yeah, of course. Well, this is all you got,
tells you the
innit?
ratio of the diff, dude. Originally. Well, I got a 3-3-1, I think.
Yeah. There's not much online about this, so it's like, is this the upper wishbone to vertical link? And then it's like trying to make sense of what to talk up, because quite important that. No days off. One hand jam on the job.
Nothing's stopping me.
Alright, front end talked up then.
On the book. Still no brakes, but yeah, whatever. We've got to re-grease the hubs.
Yeah.
Because the book told me to assemble everything, tighten the nuts up to torque, mark where the nut is on the shaft, take it all apart, put your oil seal, which you've got to soak in engine oil, grease the bearings, put it all back together, do it up to the nut with the mark we made earlier.
Christ.
Yeah, get that?
Are you just about?
Instructions.
No. New instructions. This is to cover up my bad English homework. Oh, that feels
The same as the other one.
Yeah, I think so.
Good enough for me.
I think
Alright, so now you got to back it off 30 degrees.
Yeah, correct.
Hard, man.
Yeah. Okay, cool. Another thing that doesn't fit properly. Yeah, the radius, circumference, whatever the word is for that.
Circular.
You can tell I'm not very intelligent. This is the old one, this is the new one.
Too big, too small.
Soaked it in oil, doesn't fit.
Putting the old one back in. Cool, bish bash, to the bodge, let's go!
We want to go on. There we go. Yeah, alignments. Yeah, it hasn't got a steering rack on it at the moment.
Alright, let's get on the floor.
Cool. High five. Has it been rebuilt before? I know that you painted it and stuff.
So. It looks kind of clean, doesn't it? Like,
do you know what that looks like? That looks like Dolphin Grey.
it's Honda.
Ah, Honda Grey.
It's Honda, yeah. It's from a Honda.
Okay. Alright.
So, where do you put it?
What, the engine?
What goes where?
I think that thing bolts onto this
I've got
thing.
some more bits actually. Hold on. Sorry.
Just the front, what? Just the timing
front
case.
piece, yeah, because it's actually a Rover engine, but it was in a Land Rover, so the timing case and the crank pulley for a Defender, and I've got to get another one. We tried to explain that, but it's like the 5th time.
So, so you need a Rover.
I need a Rover
front timing case.
Not a Rover
and
SD1 one, no. SD1 one. No, I need a P6 one or a P5, man.
I don't know what that means.
Neither do I. I think it's a car.
Think it's a car.
Yep.
Alright.
Oh, it's just long.
It's gonna be,
sparkly.
yeah, it's gonna be seriously Frankenstein style.
It already was a Frankenstein.
Frankenstyle.
It's Reliant is not even a company, mate. They're just found pieces.
Yeah, you've been telling me
Right,
when you've been hollering to get parts and stuff, you've actually been talking to
Mr. Graham. He's the geezer who bought the company, basically. I've been speaking to the one guy who bought the whole company from this 40-year-old piece of shit. And it's pretty incredible, really.
Yeah, that is quite cool to be fair. But that just shows you how much of like a dying thing the UK automotive industry's been, really.
One guy can buy a whole company for 40 years.
And you can just ring him up and have a little chat with him on a Thursday afternoon.
It's good, man.
Yeah, that's cool. That is cool.
He's got a lot more money. A lot of money for us. A lot.
You're the only person buying anything.
I'm keeping him in business.
Yeah. Alright, cool. Well, let's try and do some stuff, I guess.
1, 2.
This from Mr. Clutch as well.
Yours truly, the boy wonder. PR, little brother, rock on. Hey, Fontaine, nice one. Yeah, yes. In the basement, PR,
Inside there.
rap lumber.
They don't look the same, mate. You look dead. You actually look dead.
Yeah, basically I'm dead inside.
Yeah, you are. First it was physical pain, now it's emotional pain. A grave. What's the word?
That is a monumental cock up.
Yeah, not even on our behalf.
It's nothing to do with us.
Yeah, so basically, we went and bought this from some cheapo down south, and he, for some reason, has chopped the shoulder off of the crank. This bush is meant to be completely covered by a shoulder. You can see where this lip is. And we're not going to be able to put the gearbox on, so...
Mate, but his gearbox was ruined. His gearbox was ruined.
And he sold it to us like, yeah, it's running fine in the landing.
No problem here.
Hopefully
boys.
the engine's fine. Alright, so unfortunately we're going to have to strip the bottom end and replace this crank.
This is bad.
So the video,
5, 10 steps
the video's just...
It's gone from a chassis building video, now we're stripping the engine again. And then it will be a chassis video again. Hold tight. Just
minor setbacks.
minor, yeah.
One-offs.